All right, so now we're going to look at how to do correlation in a Google Doc spreadsheet using Excel Stat. We have two different rows of or columns of data, so these would be my two variables that I'm seeing if they are correlated. So I run Excel Stat, again, that's under add-ins. I'm going to scroll down, go to correlation, correlation test. There are different types, but we're going to default to Pearson for this course. Select my data. No. Whoa. Okay, fix that. So I'm going to select my data right there. Come on. There we go. So I can see A and B, 1 through 15. So scrolling down, I do not have labels, so I'm going to get rid of that. Hit run, it'll take a few minutes, and just like in other times, when it says that it is all done, it's actually going to be a tab all the way down here. So I click on my tab and I can go through. So it does give me some information about my variables if I was interested in the mean between the two. But really, this one right here is what I'm the most concerned with. So this is my correlation matrix, and the correlation between those two variables is pretty weak. So a 0.37. It also gives me a p-value. So Excel does not do this without asking it, but this one does. So in this case, I can actually say, not only is it a pretty weak correlation, it is not a significant correlation.